In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into the Breakout EDU website and access some of their free games. Now, we don't have a district account for Breakout EDU, but if you are an educator, you will have access to some of the free materials that they have on this incredible site. First thing you need to do is to go to our hotspot, and you're going to click on Technology Resources, go to Breakout EDU, and then click on Using the Breakout EDU website. Click on the Breakout EDU platform link, and then it's going to bring you to the Breakout EDU page. Click on the Google icon to sign in with your PISD credentials. All right, so once you're in, you're going to see the platform. You're going to see a little button that says upgrade right there. You're not going to upgrade. You're going to be using the free games, and this is how you do that. Let's say that I wanted to use some of the science Breakout EDUs. I would click on the science button, and then after that, I would click on user-generated science. All of these games are free to use. Now you will see where it says kit required, but we do have the Breakout EDU kit available for checkout. Now the ones that you need to avoid, well, not really avoid, but they cost money. Let me go home. And let's say I go to science one more time, and then I choose biology. You'll see where it says locked. Now these are the games that you do not have access to unless you pay for a premium subscription. But as you can see, if you go to the user-generated, and that's for each of these categories. So here's computer science. This one doesn't have one, so this one is one that you could not use. If I go to language, you'll see down here user-generated. These are the ones that are free, and etc. All right, so I hope this helps, and if you need any help on the platform or how to use it, please contact us, your friendly DLT team, and we'd be more than happy to help. Thank you so much for watching.